So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Canadian stocks here on the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on the markets button. Once you're here at the top, make sure that the Canadian market is selected. So right beside US where it is highlighted, press on CA. This of course indicates that the Canadian market is selected. So once you're here, you can view a bunch of different stocks that are on the Canadian Stock Exchange, the TSX. So you have the top gainers right here. You can look at the heat list. You can look at short or strong long-term performance, all this kind of stuff. Dividend rankings, all this kind of stuff. So we can also go to the top right here and press on the search bar. So if I wanted to search up, we'll just go to ticker symbol AC for Air Canada right here. I'll press on that. Make sure that, so for example, if I were to search up ticker symbol AC, on the left hand side, so anything that says US of course is US traded, but if you see CA, that is on the Canadian market. Then go to the bottom left and press on trade, press on buy, go through the steps that you're looking to do, and then once you're done you can press on buy. So this is an example on how you guys can buy a Canadian stock that's traded on the Canadian Stock Exchange here on your Moomoo account. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.